Oh shit, you good?
Yeah. It's alright,
bike
it's just
is
in the thing.
broken.
No, it's alright, it's just plastic.
Oh my goodness.
It's just plastic.
Go, baby. Here you go. Here you go, baby. Here you go. Here you go, baby. Here you go. Here you fucking go.
Yo, alcoholic. Can I have my camera woman, please? My alcoholic. Look at her.
Drunk.
She's drunk as hell.
I'm not drunk.
You drunk. We've just had a fat munch. About to go to the park. Riding on the KX450, piss some people off. Should we try some knee knockers again? We'll try some normal wheelies, try to drop it back even more. I need to be coasting. And then I might try some burnouts.
Good, okay. ¿Tú quieres? ¿Tú quieres? Sorry, baby. Esto, mira, va a estar aburridísimo. Tú verás. Esto va a estar muy aburrido. Que ahí para. Yo, do you like my trainers?
Yo,
That shit's giving. That's my favorite. Like, I love when he does that. I don't know why, okay? I just love it. Period. What are you saying to the camera?
saying that's my boy. Yeah.
That's your boy, innit? Come on. Hey!
Type shit.
Come on.
That last one felt decent.
Yeah.
That last one on the thing felt good.
What do you have to say to your camera?
That I'm the best, bro. Type shit.
Come on. Carrying his sister's bag. Like, yo. You feel me? That's my bro. That's my bro.
Mírale a él, mamá.
Yo te digo a ti.
That shit was really back in that one.
Mm-hmm. I just want to know if he can wheelie with both of his legs on top of the bag. You don't think he can do it? What do you think? Do you think he can? Baby, step in it. Nah, I want him to jump straight. Yo, come! Do you think you can try wheelie with both of your legs up?
Huh?
Do you think you can try wheelie with both of your head up? Can you try?
Maybe not right now. I'm trying to do it first. Let me try to do a jump there.
Alright, but after that, can you try?
I can try, but it was going to be stupid because there's not a lot of space when you said that really frankly.
Nah, I think you can, bro. Come on. Por tu culpa.
¿Sabes que alguna persona va a hablar español ahí?
No, nadie habla
Te va a-
español. No, nadie habla español, Yani.
Entonces le va a decir, oh, tu novio quiere que tú caigas, te rompe la
Mira, tú hablas como un gringo. Tu español es como un gringo.
mano. Dame banda.
Dame banda. Woo! Whoa, that was a nice jump. That was a nice jump.
Sí, casi no lo viste.
Yo
¿Por
lo
qué? Porque
vi.
tú estabas hablando demasiado, yo no sé qué. Your boyfriend.
You feel me? Woo! No, I think he can do it with both of his feet. I mean, he will never know if he can if he doesn't try, right? So I want him, today's video, my boyfriend is going to learn how to do a wheelie with both of his foot on top of the bike. Guys,
He breaks his head on you.
it's not on me, okay? Woo! Yes! Come on! Come on! Come on! Yeah! Oh my god, he almost done it, bro! What you mean? What you talking about? What you talking about? What? He almost done it, okay?
Bro, I'm not on that level yet, bro.
You are! Bro, that's how you start,
Yeah,
okay?
no, but you need a nice open
No,
spin.
bro, that's
Otherwise,
cool.
I'm kind of like trying just to put it back down,
That's
at least.
start from there. You can do it. Come on,
I'm
Andy,
surprised
man.
I even lifted it up, bro.
Literally, I was shocked. I was shocked, okay? Try again, please.
Quiero ir a hablar con chicas. Yo no quiero quedarme ahí mirando ese Wheelie.
Ay, Yari. No, tú tienes que aprender
Aprende
cómo
que-
manejar ese motor.
Y ya, yo sé, dámelo.
Tú sabes manejarlo. I see. Here you go, baby. Here you go. Here you go, baby. Here you go. Here you go, baby. Here you go. Here you fucking go, bitch. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? You just done it.
That's your boyfriend.
You just fucking done it, alright? No.
Se le wants
Yo no sabía que lo podía hacer, ¿no?
Sí, tú le quieres que rompa el cacaló.
Yanni, ¿qué es lo que cacaro? Ay, Dios.
Lo vas a otra vez.
Dale, 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 papi, dale. You could have moved. You are close. You are so close.
Almost lost control that second one.
Bro, I did not know you could do that.
She wanted you to rompe tu cacarón. I couldn't. What did you just say? She's trying to get me killed, isn't it?
Yeah.
She's
No.
always trying to put, but it's good, you know, because sometimes
No,
if you don't try it, you don't get in it.
When you tried, and look,
I've done something.
you didn't do it for long, but you done it.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. And next time, if you keep doing it, you're gonna end up doing it for long. Slowly, slowly. What do you mean, like?
You're lucky, I'm not on that.
Oh, you know what's hard, yeah? When you land like that, you can't lose control, you know, because you're not stable. And sometimes, especially on a 450, like when you go down, if like you blip the throttle, it will just throw you off.
Can you try to do it again, please?
Let me do one normal one, and then I'll try that again.
¿Qué pasó?
Es muy raro.
Hello, guys.
It's your daily tonta.
¿Quién es tonta?
Mira,
Yo no
mira,
soy
Ryan,
tonta,
mira,
¿no?
Ryan. Ya viene.
¡Dale, papi! ¡Ay! ¿Tú supiste?
I want him to do those jump pads.
Yani, ¿tú me puedes ver?
Sí.
Bien.
Bien, pero no.
Oh my God, he's doing it.
Muévete de ahí.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Woo!
Yes, yes,
Yes! I love it.
No viene. No te pongas ahí, bro. En peligro. Él te va a romper el cacalón. No te relajas. ¿Qué pasó a mi primo?
Damn!
Try coasting.
Oh, damn.
Good though.
Oh shit, you good?
Yeah.
Did you hit your back?
Yeah, just my back. Sorry.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm good.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's a god, innit?
Oh my
Big
god.
diggy.
Oh my god.
It's alright, I'm alright. I tried coasting basically. Coasting is this thing. I made, huh? It's alright,
bike
it's just
is
in the thing.
broken.
No, it's alright, it's just plastic.
Oh my goodness.
It's just plastic.
He's alright though. Check it. It's cool now.
No, I'm alright, I'm good, bro.
Bro. Bro. Why you slapping my man's ass? Like, what are you on about, bro? That's that.
Good thing is on the grass. But you know what it was? I was trying to coast, innit? Look at me. Look at the camera. I tried to coast, so I pulled in the clutch. To like, I tried to go far back and then coast, but obviously I didn't tap the brake enough. And then on top of it, I think obviously because I'm on the grass. Like, anyways, I didn't hold the brake enough, bro. When I tried to coast. But yeah.
Oh my god, I can't believe I just witnessed that shit.
Come on, it's part of the
Oh
game.
my god.
Good for you.
Oh my god.
I was trying to
I don't even know if I got on camera, but I think I got half of it on camera when you fell down. No, because I was so scared and my arm went like up and stuff. Ay, mi madre Dios. Ay, cojones.
Yo
¿Qué?
sabía que iba a romper el cacarazo.
Yani! It's because you keep saying this, stop.
Just plastic.
No, you didn't tell me.
Rompe el cacarazo.
Ay, Dios.
La misma cosa pasó a mi primo.
Ay, es verdad, sí. Eso sí es verdad.
That's why I always wear your helmet, bro.
Tú
Exactamente.
sabes, Valeria se cayó en eso.
Come, there's a dog coming as
Varias
well.
veces. Y Selena se rompió,
Come, let me take it
mira.
back.
Todo eso de ahí.
Let me take it
El
back.
qué?
Now the dog's gone.
Put in your head. Oh my god, I can't believe he just stood up like this.
Oh, you know what wheel riding's about? Let me show you what wheel riding's about. When you fall, you get back up.
Yeah, come on.
And you go again.
Type shit.
Ya ni tengo miedo, sí.
Va a romper el cacarazo. Yo te relato, míralo a él. Wow.
Ya ni yo tengo miedo, mira.
Estamos mejorando.
Claro que sí. Que mejorando. Y él no. No me decía eso. Are you in pain? Are you in pain?
Huh?
Are you in pain?
No, I'm blessed.
Be honest. Like, be honest with the camera. Are you in pain?
No, it was painful, but it wasn't that bad. Like, obviously, it was just like a big hit on your back, but other than that, it's blessed. Anyways, we out. For the people in the park.
Yeah, we are. You are the outro, mate.
Lo que te dije antes.
Can you believe
5
that he fell
minutos.
down?
5 minutos antes, ¿qué pasó? Se va a romper el cacao. ¿Qué pasó? Se rompió el cacao.
I just can't believe he fell down, and you keep, but it's because of you. You keep attracting that. You saying that the law of attraction is here in you, and he fell. Okay?
Doing the wheelies, you keep telling him to do 2 legs. He's gonna romper su cacao.
No,
And
when
then-
he fell, he didn't have 2 legs on the bike. He did not have 2
Because he
legs.
tried to do too much. Because of who? Because of you.
That's a
pushing him.
lie.
Push him too much.
No.
Yeah.
Did you say
Telling
bye
you that.
before?
Hmm?
Did you
That's
say
the
bye?
best ever. Mira, este tipo no quiere kidnap.
¿Quién es? No parecen
The
blancos,
wildest you are.
parecen
I'm
como...
telling you one thing. If you don't want to romper tu cacao, don't try to do on things you don't know yet. Yeah?
Type shit.
Do things you know. Right?
No. Bad advice. It doesn't matter. If you don't know, do you know how you're gonna know? By trying to do it in the first
Y
place.
si cuando tú rompes tu
The
cacao.
more you try, the more you get better. Period.
Look at me. I'm built, 6-pack, muscle, veins and
Where's your
everything.
6-pack? Show your 6-pack. Come on, you feel me? Come on, B.
You already know that. What I'm trying to tell you is, when you're doing this Bikelife stuff, you need to like be serious. You need to try things, obviously, because that's how you learn. But at the same time, you need to keep in mind, don't push yourself too hard, because it only takes 1 second for you to romper tu cacao. 1 second.
You just want to say the cacao thing, like, what the fuck is that, my nigga? Lord.
1 second.
Lord, always try new things, okay? It doesn't matter. Keep trying.
Keep trying
Come
until you
on.
rompe tu cacao y tú no lo puedes try again.
Just keep trying. It doesn't matter. If you fell down, get up and keep trying. If you break your leg, just keep trying. You break your head, keep trying.
I'm gonna keep trying to buy ahead.
Keep trying, bitch. Yeah.